Morning, Willie Coyote. You excited I came home? Hi, Miss B. Sorry, no deer smell today. Yeah, can I get out? Hi, sweet baby. Were y'all ready to get out? They made a beeline. Y'all give me any eggs yet this morning? Hey. That was kind of cool. I guess somebody dropped that one late yesterday. I checked. Oh, 5:30. Somebody. Thankfully, after digging through the shed, I was able to find my meat slicer and my meat grinder. Got those guys all cleaned up and ready to rock and roll. We got a little bit sliced up here. I got a couple of bags. There's still over half the deer left out in the freezer. My marinade that I do for my jerky, if anybody wants to try it. And then on average, we've been cooking these for 8 hours. It's been a few years since I've done this, so we'll kind of play with the time as we go. All of my mixture got poured into this gallon bag. I'm going to let this set for 24 hours in the fridge. This will go into this bag once I put what's in here into the dehydrator. We'll continue slicing tomorrow to fill this bag up. Tomorrow night we'll load this in the dehydrator. So now we wait. So what I ended up doing is finding my old meat slicer, deboned, ran it through, cut everything to about 1/8 of an inch, give or take. You seen soaking it last night, overnight. This is my magic ingredient that I've always put on top of our jerky, and I've just sprinkled it in on top. I don't like to mix it in, that way I can control how much is on each piece, and then I can even do a tray in there that's not, I'm not even going to call it heat, but it gives it a little bit of slap your mama. It's really good stuff. My family wouldn't know how to eat it without it on there, I'm pretty sure. But this is the first tray. Fixing to drop it into the dehydrator here. And that is tray number 1. And now I just gotta continue filling these up here until that bag's empty, and then refill my bag and soak again. The old magic bag of goodies here. Take each and every one of these, try to spread them out as best you can. I try to leave a little bit of gap in between each one for airflow. It's kind of a given, I would think. This sink is absolutely wonderful for this, though. It's giving me a chance to drip everything off before it gets in the dehydrator. And most of it's going in the sink, so it won't be as bad of a cleanup. I'm just going to go ahead and lay claims to that one. That one's mine. See, the problem with this jerky is my wife. Because if you don't watch her, she'll eat all of it in no time. I mean, just literally devour it. You look up, you're like, what happened, honey? Where's the jerky? So over the years, I got to where I would kind of split it up evenly and give the kids a bag, and me a bag, and the wife a bag, and everybody was happy. And my wife was always the first one to be done with her bag. And then she'd start hitting everybody with them puppy dog eyes, trying to steal from them. Yep, I've told your secrets, honey. You're not here to defend yourself. She usually ends up stealing mine. Because I have to hide it. I literally will have to hide my bag of jerky from her. So I think she likes it. Not positive. Some more of that magical slap your mama. Everybody can coat to their own liking. We like a little bit of flavor on our food around here. Alright, that's tray number 3. These will cook on 160. Between 3 and 8 hours. You know, that's a... Oops, sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to spook you. It's quite the range, but just got to keep an eye on it. The only thing I can highly recommend is not to overcook it. Nobody likes their jerky bread. Should be able to bend it over and let it snap back on itself. Maybe even get a little crack out of it. Oh, jeez. Come on, bag. Need more love than that from you, Ziploc. Double zipper shouldn't be dripping on my counter here. Mess with me, I'll buy generic bags. If that's all you're gonna do. And now we wait.
Are you excited, baby girl? Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah, I think you are. I think you are, baby girl. Yeah, I think you are. Nobody said it was yours. Yeah, nobody said it was yours.
Currently at the 6-hour mark, and I've started pulling quite a bit. There's a few that were a little bit thicker. You just kind of got to play with each one by moisture, and within an hour or two I'll have the rest of it done. But the stuff that was lower down in there didn't dry as well as some of the stuff that was a little higher up. I think it had a little bit better chance to circulate. So what I do have that's still a little damp, I'll move up in the spots from the others. And that'll be the first gallon bag full anyway. It is yummy. And with that said, the dehydrator is now up to temp. I just started batch number 2. Today is actually Friday, I believe. My oldest son has a baby shower tomorrow for his next little one that's expected next year. So I'm going to cater to that. So I'm going to fire up my smoker today, and I think we got 4 whole chickens to smoke and some other stuff. But we're going to get ready for that for tomorrow. Just wanted to close this out on the jerky, and thank you for watching. And everybody have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.